we went to Hamburg, visited Motion Lab, Beta House,
BMW.
Dot Factory, started with Futurium.
Welcome to Berlin, everyone.
This place was actually focused on networking.
मज़ा आ रहा है बहुत ज़्यादा यहाँ पे देख के।
Hi guys,
I'm Vedahi.
I'm Chinmay.
And I am Vibhu.
We are students of Newton School of Technology, Dishud University.
And we went to Germany as a part of NSK's international immersion trip. This is our story.
I have never imagined that I will go to Berlin and explore the city life and know about the tech and innovation going there.
I've heard of it and I've read it ki around 3.1% of the GDP they invest into research and all. Also into higher studies in universities level.
What I have researched about the Germany tech was like how they are focused about the sustainability part.
Our whole trip revolved around tech. We went to Airbus factory, Dot factory, Beta House, Motion Lab, all these things.
So we reached Berlin around 8 or 9 in the evening. The next day we went to Hamburg.
तो हेलो गाइस, मैं हूँ चिन्मय और आज हमारा डे 1 बर्लिन में। अभी हम बर्लिन से हैम्बर्ग जा रहे हैं जो कि पास ही में एक सिटी है जो अबाउट 4 आवर्स दूर है। वहाँ पे हम एयरबस की फैक्ट्री में विजिट करेंगे।
Super excited for Airbus tour.
After we reached Airbus, we saw how their processes worked. We saw their different aircrafts like Airbus 320. We saw Beluga, which is used to transport their cargo and all that. So we saw the whole processes.
In Hamburg city, Airbus is like a mini city in it.
Our journey from Berlin to Hamburg was like a 5-hour ride. Throughout the journey, it was a lot of green fields. I saw a lot of, I should say, windmills and solar panels, and it actually showed how much they focus on the renewable sources of energy. So that was quite interesting.
We were given about 2 to 3 hours to explore the Alexander Street. So there is famous monuments present there, like the famous TV Tower of Berlin. Berlin Cathedral was also present there.
So on day 2, we visited Motion Lab. It is basically a space in which they have high quality and I should say expensive machineries like CNC machines, laser, printers, 3D printers, all of those stuff. We had lectures there by the head of innovation. We had activities basically. We were divided into groups of 4 and it was a systems thinking kind of activity. So Motion Lab took around 6 to 7 hours of the whole day. It was quite an experience.
बहुत क्रेजी जगह है। मेरे लिए एक बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा ड्रीम है यहाँ पे ऐसे काम करना। मैंने पास्ट में मॉडल्स बनाए हैं जिनके लिए मेरे को ऐसी चीज़ें चाहिए थी। मज़ा आ रहा है बहुत ज़्यादा यहाँ पे देख के। वो अंदर का वो इनोवेटर वापस जग गया है।
After the interesting day, let's jump on to day 3. We went to Beta House initially in the morning. We basically attended the Beta breakfast. It is an event or a space out there where there were a lot of founders and people from the industries who live in Berlin mainly. And we had a session by Emo Stepelfeld. He talked about legal complications of AI and how to deal in this space.
Beta House was a new experience. I was experiencing a pitch with a breakfast. It was some new concept. There were people gathered, about like 50 to 60 people of professional and non-professional background. Some were of them like tech, some were of them lawyers, some of them were bankers.
After that talking stage, we got their LinkedIn connections also, which they themselves offers to us. And that was like really a very good part.
Beta House was like very good experience. The places earlier we have visited were good for ourselves, for our own growth, but this place was actually focused on networking. We met a lot of new people and we talked to them.
आज सुबह हम जैसे ही पहुँचे तो हम भी शॉक में थे यहाँ पे क्या होगा। हम एकदम मीटिंग में बैठ गए। बहुत सारे फाउंडर्स डिफरेंट डोमेन्स यहाँ पे बैठे हुए थे। तो ये काफ़ी अच्छा लगा कि हम काफ़ी डिफरेंट लोगों से कनेक्ट कर पा रहे हैं, जो कि यहाँ पे एक बहुत एक कॉमन कल्चर है।
So after our time spent in Beta House, we had our lunch and we went to Cambridge Innovation Center. So there was Urban Innovation Forum going on. It was a day-long event, but we attended it from around 3 or 4 p.m. Initially, there were different sessions going on different areas of that particular building. We attended an event known as Startup Slam. It was basically an event in which there were 12 startups. They were all climate tech related. They all had their pitches of 3 minutes and then around 1-2 minutes of question and answers from the VCs and all.
अभी हमें स्टार्टअप स्लैम में कैम्ब्रिज इनोवेशन कैंपस के अंदर यहाँ पे 12 स्टार्टअप्स अपने आप को यहाँ पे पिच करेंगे. सो लेट्स सी हम यहाँ पे क्या मतलब सीख पाएंगे, व्हाट विल बी एबल टू लर्न फ्रॉम देम.
So it was an event where we got to know such innovative ideas and such innovative startups going on. For example, one of them was based on how they were transforming waste heat generated from the AI centers into electricity. So there were such unique concepts and such unique startups.
Now on day 4, we visited BMW. Our tour started, and first we visited the factory guide, like how the process works there, their assembly line, the procedure, how they produce. And what was I amazed to see that the machines were doing that work only. I was amazed when there was 2 huge machine arms which was holding a bike engine, which is very heavy, which the humans cannot do it easily. And in about 30 seconds, they were building that engine.
They have robots, slow suspension was there. They are carrying the parts with ceiling support. So that was like really exciting part for me.
From watching bikes in Dhoom to actually seeing them being built at BMW, it was like a full circle journey for me.
After the BMW factory visit, we visited to our new company DOT. So DOT is an EV company which supplies EV scooties that we can ride on the road.
We are at the warehouse of DOT, and we had a session with the CTFO of DOT, Mr. Vikram Kumar sir. And he basically told us about the AI architecture and product life cycle of the DOT scooties. And so it was like a sneak peek into the whole DOT ecosystem.
When the lecture ended, we visited the factory of DOT, like how the dots are being manufactured there, and we also ride some of the dots there.
We also got to know how things work in the EV sector. In our 5th day, we started with Futurium.
Futurium is a type of concept, or I say a museum. The main focus there is sustainability.
Like on the museum, level 1, there was mainly about the city part, like how will city look, how will our world look in future. Like if we need to shift in the future on Mars, so how will you take the decisions to make life sustainable there?
The next generation, they are taught about sustainability in their very young age, which matters a lot.
We are at the Futurium today. So over here we have discovered a lot of things which are upcoming in the future. The wristband I'm wearing right now, we have to agree and disagree on every point. We have got arrows on each and every thing which is exhibited over here, and at the very end it makes a report on the basis of what we have opted for. It's really amazing to be here.
My future came as in technology and science only. And then we headed towards city tour.
So we had a guided tour of the historical sites at Berlin. And so it was a 3-hour-long tour in which we visited around 4 to 5 places, including the Brandenburg Gate, Reichstag, Parliament. One of the things which is still with me is the memorial to the Jews. So it was basically a place where there were around 2,700 rectangular slabs, and it was not a flat surface, so it used to go steep as you walk through it. So as you reach to the center, a person actually feels claustrophobic. We also saw bullet marks at the Brandenburg Gate, which actually tells us that it was such a historic location we were standing at, where the whole World War II had played its part.
So my favorite part for this tour was the DOT. Because when I visited DOT, it was too fascinating for me, like seeing in the real life how the backend works, like the things that I'm studying. I'm an engineering student learning about AI and ML things. I'm seeing in the real life how they're building this product with the help of AI, and seeing the databases and how they work, how everything works in a flow.
So for me, the most memorable moment that I'll carry forward was seeing automation in BMW factories. All the robots working to and fro was such an exciting part to see in factory experience.
Just the way things play out there, be it from the research part, be it the way the government, industries and people function out together, the way the whole city of Berlin has been planned, it was quite interesting and quite a different world to me. So it was quite an interesting thing for me to notice, and let's see what all we can do out here in India.